This is the proper size blue and gold macaw cage. This is the proper size blue and gold macaw. Hi, Sadie. Can you say hello? Alrighty, here we go. This gives you some perspective. Yeah. I could pretty much walk in there. This is the correct size severe macaw, or any mini macaw, or any Amazon size cage. This size bird. Hi, Cookie. Say hi, Cookie. She's got bottom toys and top toys. And I found that putting too much in there just overwhelms them. There you go. Good girl. Up. And of course, the locking problem. But here we go with perspective again. Blue and gold. Right there. And severe. Or Amazon. Or Eclectus. Or any of the other birds that you've got that are probably in too small cages. I've got to figure out why that's not shutting, huh? Okay.